welcome to my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, where I talk to you about my dressmaking journey. So today I have something new for you, or at least kind of new. I have a unboxing. And it's not your usual unboxing because I did subscribe to Little Miss So and So subscription box, All Set to Sew, for a little while, but last summer I decided to cancel it because the patterns I was getting were just not my style. So this is nothing to do with the quality of the box or the fabrics or the patterns or anything like that. The fabric was always very beautiful, good quality. Their customer service has been great, and good value for money, nice little treats in the box as well. So it had nothing to do with that, but the patterns they picked, obviously they have to pick for a wide audience, and they just didn't speak to me. But I do like the surprise, so I just decided to cancel that one and just try a different one. So this month I subscribed to the Fabric Godmother Dream Wardrobe. I've been seeing lots of their boxes being unboxed on Instagram and YouTube, and I really like their style. I feel like it suits me a bit better, so I thought I would give this a go. So what comes in this box? So you get a pattern in this box, you get the fabric to make it with, matching thread, and a sewing gift, and you all get that for £59 a month. So I think it's good value for money. Now I don't know if you would get all the notions needed to make the pattern, because I did get that with the Little Miss So and So box, and that one was a little bit cheaper as well. So I am not sure if this one has that, but let's find out. Got some paper scissors and open the box. I would be curious to know if you subscribe to any subscription boxes, and which ones you subscribe to and the reasons why you subscribe to those, because I think I might try this for a couple months and then try another one and just kind of see what is out there, what the options are, and then I can make a really good comparison, and see which one I like best. Oh, so it's not wrapped, you can immediately see the fabric. Ooh, interesting. Oh, okay. So first of all I get some Merchant and Mills needles. 25 finest needles. Fancy. Is it 25 needles? Oh. Oh, I think they might be hand needles. Can you see that? Not very focusing, is it? Ah, there it is. So I think they might be hand sewing needles, not machine needles. Those will always come in handy, I guess. Not like I've already have 5 packets of hand sewing needles. Oh my goodness. And then I got this thread. It's like a grayish, blue grayish color, and it's recycled, so I always love that. Then the fabric. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Let me. So it's kind of like this cotton kind of fabric, I think. I'm not sure, but I like the print. So it's got like this grey blue mixed with black, I think. Kind of like a really small gingham. Oh, and it comes with a QR code to scan, so you can read the newsletter. Let me just grab my phone real quick, and then I can read it to you. All right, let me scan this. All right, welcome to your November 2023 Dream Wardrobe. Ooh. I have been a huge fan of the Merchant & Mills aesthetic for years, so this must be Josie's. Okay, so I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. Yes, so the fabric is a mini Ambrose yarn dyed gingham cotton, blue and navy. So that's what the fabric is. I really like this fabric. And the pattern, it comes with a paper pattern. Oh, nice. So it's the Merchant & Mills Etta dress. It's kind of like a wrap dress. Most importantly, it doesn't have pockets. Doesn't look like it has pockets. Sin. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can, it's a dress, a wrap dress, or is it a faux wrap dress? A simple wrap dress with a lined bodice and inseam pockets. It does have pockets. It does have pockets. Just the line drawing doesn't show any pockets, that's what I thought. Inseam pockets, really nice. Okay, so you can have it sleeveless, short sleeved, or 3/4 sleeves. I really like this. I'm not really one for sleeveless, that's why I wasn't immediately being like, wow, but I will definitely make the version either with short sleeves or 3/4 sleeves. I'm not sure because I think 3/4 sleeves would be nice, but I think it might annoy me, depending on how tight they are. So yeah, this will go on the to make list, that's for sure. But I don't think it will be anytime soon because it looks kind of more like a summer make, to be honest. But I am happy with this. Let me see what they say about the pattern in the newsletter. We have given you over 4 meters of fabric this month. So there is plenty of pattern included. No. So there's plenty for the pattern included, or you could try one of these ideas. So to put some more stuff in there. So like pajamas, even the Blanca flight suit. So there's enough fabric to make the Blanca flight suit. Now you guys know I love a Blanca flight suit. So I don't know. It would look kind of cool, I think, in this fabric, in this print. So about the pattern, it's a lined bodice, but then on here it doesn't say you need lining fabric. I guess they think you would just line it with the same fabric as for the outer dress, which is kind of interesting. And you need a popper, optional popper. About your gift, where's the gift? Oh, it's the needles, isn't it? These top quality needles are perfect for hand stitching. Yes, so they are hand needles. Yeah. Okay. So that's all that's in the box. And now, let's open the pattern. So it comes in this really nice yes. Oh, I am happy because I just cut out the Merchant and Mills Harleen pattern, and I had the paper pattern for that as well, but it came in tissue paper, and I hate patterns that come in tissue paper, honestly, because I trace all my patterns and tissues is not traceable, which means you have to cut it out, which means you can only make one size. That makes me sad. So I was not happy with that, but this one is printed on some sturdy paper. Yes! Yes. Tracing all the way, you guys. Team Trace, yay! Okay, so it's quite a simple booklet. And then it's just, yeah, comes with instructions like this. So that's good. Ties, wrap it. Okay. Okay, so I want to know from you below in the comments if I should make the Etta dress or the blanket flight suit with the fabric that came in my box. Or if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments as well. And for now, let's go sew.